Hi friends, this is Rajashi Rashekar. Welcome to my spiritual wisdom information channel. Today our topic about the enlightenment. Yes, my dear friends, in spirituality, every human being must reach this state, the enlightenment state, the final state. Of course, after enlightenment, we have so many things to learn. There is an unending process. We are eternal beings after enlightenment also. Once you got enlightenment, all your sufferings vanished. You will know completely about yourself and also other beings. Enlightenment. Be a light unto yourself. Gautam Buddha said to the final words to Ananda, be a light unto yourself. The light. Yes, my dear friends. We are the family of light. We are light beings. We are all energy beings. We must awaken that light. So, for this process, we must learn spiritual science. In that spiritual science, about kingdoms, mineral kingdom, plant kingdom, animal kingdom, and human kingdom. To know about this and also know about our past lives and our the law of karma. To become a vegetarian, the fundamental thing, we must become a vegetarian. So after these learnings, there is a process, the process of meditation. Yes, my dear friends, by practicing meditation, we should get enlightenment. Otherwise, there is no other option to get enlightenment. What is meditation? Be with the breath. Be with the natural, simple breath. Yogaha chitta vritta nirodhaha. Said by Patanjali Maharshi, Yoga Shastra Pitama. So, by practicing meditation every day, Anapanasati meditation, inhale softly and exhale softly. By practicing meditation to knowing about yourself, going into deeper, be aware on your breath, and after transformation, one day you must get this transformation like caterpillar to butterfly. It happens when you become butterfly. That is called enlightenment state. Sthita prajna state. In Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma said this word, Sthita prajna, knowing about prajnanam brahma, wisdom, the soul wisdom, the fundamental truth. You are the soul, aham brahmasmi, and tattvamasi, sarvam kalvidam brahma. We are all connecting with the soul. We are all one. The science of consciousness all beings of consciousness. We are connecting each other with plant kingdom, mineral kingdom, animal kingdom, human kingdom. When you practice meditation, these things will be known. Wisdom is not outside, my dear friends. Wisdom is within. No need to go anywhere. You must go into your deeper inside, not outside journey. It's an inside journey. There is a 4 stages. Learn meditation, practice meditation, teach meditation, spread meditation. These 4 things will leads to you get enlightenment. We must practice every day meditation and teach what you learn, what you got experience in that meditation, to teach to everyone, and spread meditation to the your nearby areas and all of the state, nation, to the world. There are so many enlightened people around us, my dear friends. In ancient wisdom, we have Vasishtha Maharshi, Patanjali Maharshi, so many masters, Podulur Viruvendra Swami. They have got enlightenment. Adi Shankaracharya, Sri Krishna Paramatma, Jesus Christ, Muhammad Pravakta, Sri Ramana Maharshi, Meher Baba, Swami Rama, Yogananda Paramahamsa, Swami Vivekananda. They are all spiritual scientists. They know themselves. They got enlightenment. And also we have a new age spiritual masters, new age spiritual enlightened persons around us. In Theosophical Society, Leadbeater, Blavatsky, Annie Besant, Richard Bach, Carlos Castaneda, Linda Goodman. So many masters, they got enlightenment. Our life purpose is to get enlightenment, my dear friends. Siddhartha became a Buddha. A infant soul became a infinity soul, over self. That is the transformation. The greatest transformation by practicing meditation to get this enlightenment. That is our goal on this earth planet. Nothing else. To become a millionaire, to become a prime minister, to become a IAS officer. We are not that purpose. We have done so many lives in that duties. But our prime goal is to become a Buddha, to become a master, to get enlightenment. So my dear friends, we all know about this. The science of meditation, the science of enlightenment. There is only one thing to get. Always I am saying that meditation, meditation, meditation. There is no other option. Thank you, my dear friends. Thank you.